Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into the golden rule of rehab consistency over intensity. Before you make squats or any exercise a daily habit, remember this. Increasing your exercise time or reps by about 20% each week is the key to building strength safely and steadily. Let's take Demetrius, for example. He's 60 and injured his back, barely able to walk for 10 minutes. We started small, squats, a few reps daily, and walking for just 5 minutes, gradually increasing by 20% each week. Fast forward 2 months, and Demetrius has tripled his walking time, returned to gardening for an hour, and can lift his granddaughter, all thanks to consistency. Now let's get into some specific exercises. Exercise 1, modified crunch. This strengthens your core and helps reduce back pain. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet on the floor. Engage your abs, lift your shoulder blades off the floor, hold, then lower. Start with 2 sets of 15 reps. Exercise 2. Reverse lunge, builds leg and glute strength. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, step 1 foot back into a lunge, then return. Aim for 1 set of 10 reps on each side. Exercise 3, modified push-up, essential for upper body strength. Kneel on the floor, hands wider than shoulder width. Lower your chest and push back up. Start with 2 sets of 10 reps. Exercise 4, glute bridge, crucial for hip stability and leg strength. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet on the floor. Press through your heels, lift hips up, squeeze glutes, then lower. Aim for 2 sets of 10 reps. Remember, progress isn't about speed, it's about steady gains. Gradually increase your time, reps, and difficulty by about 20% each week. Stay consistent. Think marathon, not sprint. Ready for an even bigger boost to your mobility. Check out my next video, where you'll learn an exercise routine to burn off stubborn belly fat. Stay strong and stay consistent.